Hello friends, welcome to Rajavali Education channel. In this video, we are going to see principle, construction and working of Van de Graaff generator. The principle involved in this Van de Graaff generator is electrostatic induction and action at points. Next, we see the construction of Van de Graaff generator. This large hollow spherical conductor is fixed on this insulating stand. Here, pulley B is fixed at the center of the hollow sphere and another pulley C is fixed at the bottom of the hollow sphere. A belt made up of insulating materials like silk or rubber runs over both pulleys, that is B and C. Pulley C is driven continuously by the electric motor. Two comb-shaped metallic conductors, that is D and E, are fixed near the pulleys C and B respectively. The upper comb E is connected to the inner side of the hollow metal sphere. Comb D is maintained at a positive potential of 10 to the power of 4 volt by a power supply. Due to high electric field near the comb D, air between the belt and comb D gets ionized by the action of points, so that more number of positive and negative charges are produced. The negative charges are attracted by the comb D and the rest of the positive charges are pushed towards the belt. Okay, the positive charges stick on the belt and move up. When the positive charges on the belt reach the point near the comb E, like this here, the comb E acquires negative charge and the sphere acquires positive charge due to electrostatic induction. As a result, the positive charges are pushed away from the comb E and they reach the outer surface of the sphere. The positive charges are distributed uniformly on the outer surface of the hollow sphere, since the sphere is a conductor. At the same time, the negative charges nullify the positive charges in the belt due to corona discharge before it passes over the pulley. When the belt descends, it has no net charge. At the bottom, it again gains a large positive charge. The belt goes up and delivers the positive charges to the outer surface of the sphere. This process continues until the outer surface produces the potential difference of the order of 10 to the power of 7, which is the limiting value. We cannot store charges beyond this limit, that is 10 to the power of 7 volt, since the extra charge starts leaking to the surrounding due to ionization of air. The leakage of charges can be reduced by enclosing the machine in a gas-filled steel chamber at very high pressure. Now we see the uses of Van de Graaff generator. It is used to accelerate positive ions for nuclear disintegration and other applications. Hope you understand the concept very well. Thank you for watching.